Heyo web traveler! You thought you've seen it all with promo packs, but that's not true. Because today I can present to you 3D promo packs. And I'm super hyped to see how they look like. Stop talking, just open the first pack. Oh, I'm so hyped. Ooh, the card is bending, I don't like it. Ah, the pack is so F's to open. Maybe it's just this one. Ah, okay. I mean, it says got a story on the back. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got Nezuko. And what is the 3D effect? Oh, her legs. I think those are leggings. I fucking know. And then hop, it's away. Interesting effect. And also very nice art of Nezuko. So I am really interested to see what's in the next one. Oh, is this all from the same artist? Probably, because it could just like replicate that 3D effect really easily. The booba change. Okay, cool. But I don't know who that is. Can somebody please help me? Anybody say to me, who the fuck is this? Okay, I can't sing, so I will not sing anymore. Sorry for all of you who had to endure it. Let's see, I have, by the way, 20 packs this time. All of them are supposed to be 3D, so I hope we get as much as we can on a different, oh yeah baby, on a different type of waifu. Oh, fuck yeah. Alright, I'm hyped. God damn. Okay, look, this is what I wanted to see when I saw like the promotional picture. And in 3D, yes, look at that, that's a big change. Like those two are fine, don't get me wrong, but it's like the small change. This, although I would like to see like the 18 plus version would be also very nice. So you take notes, I mean, just in case, you know, 18 plus version. Can we like make it so that the boobas are completely naked? No, we can't. I tried, guys, I tried. The link will be in the video description where you can buy them loose this time, and don't miss it because I had already a few times that the promo packs were selling from a seller and then they just deleted the page and they don't sell them anymore. This time, for now, he sells it. So go get there. And also you can get these 3D packs with some booster boxes. If you are returning web traveler, you know that you can use the notes tcgcomrade when you buy a booster box from this seller. If you're new to this, well, I just told you what to do, didn't I? On your own consent, obviously. I'm not pushing you. If you don't want to, just don't do it. But there are like, as of right now, 2 ways for getting these. You can buy them loose, and you also can buy a booster box and get the 3D promo pack with it. We have another Nezuko, interesting, and this time is on the art style is actually the other artist. So, oh, Nezuko, woo! God damn! Okay, that's some change. Can I even show it? What's interesting, by the way, is now you see like less close version through the lens, but with my eyes, I have 2 of them. I can see the close version. It's, I don't know, maybe it's just how the lenses work. I think I can show this. Those are really cool. And really unique addition to your collection. That's what I think. God damn, look at this card. How much does... Okay. I mean, she was already pretty naked, so it didn't change much. Also, I don't know who that is. That was bound to happen. If you watch me long enough, you already know that my brain is just a shitfest. And I often forget characters, even if I've seen them and know them. So let alone to recognize characters that I don't know. This is a data life I want to remember, by the way, because I don't remember shit about it, but this I will. Let's see, but so far not a single double, which makes me happy. This also does a put smile up my face, or how the quote goes, I don't remember. This is nice. Very nice. I will go to this cafe to order some drinks, yes. I also recognize the problem that not all the packs will fit on there. So at some point we will... Oh god, I just bought the bending on this card. Thankfully, maybe because they're 3D, they can take it, some bending. But at some point we will, I don't know, remove some, get the new ones up. Holy shit. Who the fuck are you? And okay. And you would think that this version is already naked enough, but no. Then you get this one. Hey, at least they all look legit. Not a single one that you would think, oh, this one is a 16. Forget about the Nezuko. I mean, maybe it's just an adult version of Nezuko, like the adult version of Nezuko, like Uniform, you know. I don't know how old Eva is, by the way, probably 16 or 17. But in this version, she might be, you know, you can see she's matured a bit. So it's all 18 plus. No anime shenanigans. I just struggle with the specs. I mean, I can open easily from the other side, but then I would see the card and I really like the suspense. God damn! A beautiful dress. Very nice character. Then bam! Another Nezuko. Is this? Yeah, another Nezuko. Okay, that's some Nezuko packs right there. This one doesn't change at all. I mean, it does. The skirt gets other color and the bunny ears, and then the skirt gets more up. If you love Nezuko, then well, your chances of getting a Nezuko card are pretty high, my man. Are pretty high. Let's see who. Oh damn, that's another style, art style. Okay, okay. And in this one, it's just clothing is a little bit different, not that much, but it looks more realistic. I'm not hype about this one. The rest is freaking amazing, but this one, I don't know. It's cool, don't get me wrong, but compared to the others, I don't know, man. Yes, like this, and then, oh hell yeah! Oh hell yeah! Look at that, man! Come on! Fuck yeah! Approved. Damn. Okay, okay. Hey, the first double. It was about to happen. Probably we will see a few doubles from this point. Oh my god. This is art. God damn. God damn. This looks epic. Hella nice. Look, those changes, that's what it's all about. That's what we like to see. Yeah, we have seen you 2 times, so Kitagawa overrules you, wherever you are. Rintosuke would be epic, but I don't think Rintosuke is not that popular. We've got a story for some Ishitar. Ishitar could be in there. Nice. That's first of all. You got the slutty version. Is it not slutty enough for you? Don't worry, we got another one for you. God damn, man. You almost can see the pancake. Oh yeah, okay, we haven't seen obviously one of the best waifus ever, 02. I mean, it's alright, it's nothing crazy. I think Kitagawa is more epic. Okay, which waifus haven't we seen yet? Someone from Chainsaw Man would be epic, I guess. A Dabo, sure. That's not what I asked for. I mean, they're going pretty safe with the waifu choice for almost all of them. Hey, another 02. I prefer this one above the other. 2 promo packs left. I hope those will not be the doubles. Okay, Naruto. Oh damn. Alright. Yeah, well, it's just good. What can I say? It's just good. And the last pack. Another Naruto and damn son. But I mean, there's not much difference, but it's a good difference nonetheless. Well, those are amazing. Holy shit. Links in the video description, don't miss it. I think this would be like an amazing addition to your collection, even if you had a few of them. If you want to support the channel, please do subscribe, like and comment, and thank you all who are already supporting my channel. And I will see you in another one, web travelers.